Car chat time. Healing after survival feels strange. When we think about healing, we often think about a physical wound. We've cut ourselves, we bleed, we heal, and we're okay. But after survival, healing is a process. Some days are good, some days are not so good. Sometimes you don't want to face the day or what lies ahead. No one can do this for you. Your healing, your rebuilding, and your growth is unique to you and your journey. It feels strange because no one's told you how to do it. And yet, here you are. You keep going, and you keep going. You're surviving. Your healing will make you feel better. In time, I promise you that. But sometimes it's not about the end result. It's just about taking those mini wins and mini victories throughout the day. And that's enough.